how to get back online on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you turned off your active status on WhatsApp and want to get back online but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on a device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings. Tap on Privacy. Under Who Can See My Personal Info section, you will see the option for last seen and online. Tap on it. From here, you can adjust the settings for your last seen and online status. Since we want to adjust the online status, select Everyone option available under Who Can See When I Am Online section. Now, you will appear online to others whenever you are active on WhatsApp. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to appear online on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.